First, add your clips. Let me just adjust the size real quick. Now, the most important thing is resolution. It matters a lot. Don't think you can use a 36p, 480p, or even a low 720p clip and expect your quality to go boom. That's not how it works. Always try to use at least 1080p clips for the best results. Here are my composition settings. I'm using 1920 by 1080 resolution. Now, add an adjustment layer on top of your clip. Then, the unsharp mask effect. But I know most of you don't want to go through all that manual setup. Just join my Discord server using the link in the description. Head to the free market section, and you'll find a 4K quality CC preset ready to download. Next, go to Animation, Apply Animation Preset, locate where you downloaded my preset, and hit OK. Now, here's one more important thing. The preset is ready to use, but I highly recommend adjusting it based on your clip. If it looks too sharpened, reduce the unsharp mask amount to around 6 or 7, and in Sharpen, lower the small details value to about 1.5 for a cleaner, more natural look. You can clearly see the difference, before and after. The details, sharpness, and overall quality instantly look way better. Now it's time to export the video. I personally use the vocoder plugin. You can use any method you like, but I highly recommend vocoder for its clean results and 8-bit lossless quality. Next, open Topaz Video AI. I'm using version 7.1.1. Add your exported video here by simply dragging and dropping it into the app. Then go to Settings, Input Color Override. For color space, color primary, and color TRC, you'll see a bunch of options. Select BT 709 for all three. As for color range, just leave it on auto detect. Now, enable the enhancement. Most people stick with the Proteus model, but what if I told you you're actually using the wrong one? Let me set the right parameters. I'll show you the difference between this and the model we're really going to use. See this? It's actually ruining the background colors. And the same thing's going to happen to the character's hair, and all those deep black areas, like the clothes. It leaves this weird color distortion all over the video. And that's exactly what we're going to fix next. The model we're going to use is RIA, Advanced 4X Upscaling. Hands down the best one, whether you're working with anime clips or movie footage. You'll see two options inside it, RIA and RIA XL, but stick to the main RIA model only. Now about the parameters, you can just copy mine exactly. And for Dehalo, we actually don't even need it, but just to stay on the safe side, set it around 6 or 7. Now here's the freaking difference, guys. Like seriously, no compromise on anything. The hair, the clothes, even the depth of field gets a subtle improvement. And the best part? Absolutely zero noise. It's clean, detailed, and just looks way more natural. Okay, now here's another example. If you're using high-quality 4K clips, and then apply my preset, it's gonna look something like this. Like seriously, it goes beyond 4K. Super clean, perfectly sharpened, just the best quality. Like I said, it all depends on what resolution clips you're working with. Alright guys, here are the final results. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to drop a comment below telling me what you want next. Which pack or tutorial should I do? Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.